In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Etsy. We'll walk through the exact process of creating a digital ebook listing inside your Etsy shop, step by step, so by the end you'll know how to get your ebook in front of buyers and ready to sell. First, go to your Etsy Shop Manager dashboard. This is the main control panel for your store, where you manage everything from orders to listings. Make sure you're logged into the correct Etsy account, then hover over or click on Shop Manager to open your dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the section labeled Listings. Click on Listings to see all the products you currently have for sale in your shop. This is where you'll create a brand new listing specifically for your ebook. Next, click on Add a Listing. This button usually sits near the top right of the listings page. Clicking it opens the listing editor, which is where you'll enter all the details about your ebook, like the title, price, and images. In the listing editor, you'll see a field that says Find a Category. In that box, type ebook. Etsy uses categories to help buyers find what they're looking for, so it's important to choose the right one. Typing ebook will bring up relevant options tailored to digital reading material. From the category options that appear, select Guides and How-Tos. This is a good fit for most ebooks that teach something, offer instructions, or provide information. Picking the most accurate category helps your listing show up in the correct search results and gives buyers a clear idea of what they're getting. After that, you'll need to specify the type of product. Choose digital files. This tells Etsy that you're selling a downloadable product, not a physical book. When customers purchase, they'll automatically receive a file to download, so you don't have to ship anything. Now, scroll to the section where you can upload your files and click on Add File. Here, you'll upload the final version of your ebook, usually as a PDF or another supported format. Make sure the file is complete, clearly formatted, and under Etsy's size limit. Finally, fill out the rest of the listing details, including your title, description, price, and any other required fields such as when it's made and who made it. Add a strong cover image or preview to attract buyers. Once everything looks good, click on Publish. Your ebook is now live on Etsy and ready to sell.